Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to disable Windows 10 Auto Update. So let's start. First, go to your search bar and search for service. Then here, just scroll always down to find Windows Update. Then right-click on Windows Update. Click on Properties. Click on Manual and select Disabled. Then click Apply. And if you want to disable it permanently, then we have another methods. Go to search bar and search for Registry Editor. And click on HKey Local Machine. Then click on Software. Scroll down to find Policies. Click on Policies. Then click on Microsoft. Then click on Windows. Here just right-click on Windows folder. Then create a new key folder. And name it Windows Update. Then right-click on it and create a new key. Then just name it AU. Then click on AU folder. And at the right side, just right-click and create a new key by select word 32 bits value. And name it No Auto Update. Then double-click on it and change from 0 to number 1. And click OK. OK, well done. Then sometime you need to restart your computer or your laptop to apply change. And thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thanks and bye for now.